This one here, we're talking about our ISI bike rack. We have the unit available as an option. It's not a standard item. This is lucky to have one here in the showroom with the bike rack on there. As you can see, it is quite a big unit. It does take up the drawbar area there. So if you're planning on using a Weber or anything to sit on the drawbar, it now negates that with the bike rack on here. It is a permanent structure from this point down, unless you wanted to get in and unbolt the whole thing. Not recommended, but it is feasible that you could do. But the operation of this is quite simple. Wheels would sit into these areas. We adjust these to suit for the bikes, obviously, the little screw pieces, and you get two bikes on here. So one at the front, one at the rear. And the bar up the top here, that just slides up and down, so we don't do that. And that allows that to clamp down onto the frame of the bike or the seat area, somewhere around there, so it holds it and locks it down. And then you can lock it down again from there. But you don't have to reach right up, so this is able to be taken out. This pin here, we'll take that one out there, and now I can lay that bike rack over with the bike still attached if I wanted to. Might make it easier to put the bikes onto there. That's as low as it goes. It can't go any further. There is a cable behind here that stops that from going down any further, falling down or anything like that. Quite a simple unit, very strong, robust, that side of things. We go back into reverse, pin back into the middle, a little bit of a jiggle around to get the pin back in, and then put the R-clip back through, locking that off and securing it again.